On this episode, we're taking tires off the rims. I know what you're gonna say. If you live in Europe, just take it to the tire fitter. I'm not doing that. Taking the tires off, they're going to the recycling center, and then the rims are going somewhere else. So you kind of either pay somebody to take the tires off for you, or you take them off yourself. It's exercise. It's good for you. So, you know, after this set of 4, I have another set of 4 with the Fiat Spider 124 steel wheels and my spare tire from the X19. So, you know, a lot of rims going somewhere, a lot of tires going somewhere else. We are resetting the shop because the Fiasco is done for now. Not finished, just done for now. I got to get to work on this truck. I'm going to finish this truck and then I can start all over again on other people's projects because I'm done with mine. Fiasco's done for now. Ducati's done for now. So get this truck out of here as fast as I can and then get to work on the next one. But first, a word from our not sponsors. Spend money, get cool stickers. Vick Autosports takes care of us. Thank you very much. Midwest Bayless takes care of us. For some reason, Auto Ricambi never sends me any stickers. So send me a sticker if you want to be on the board or on the wall. I buy stuff from everybody. But you got to spend a lot of money to get one of these stickers. This is just labor intensive. It's not really that hard. I have this sort of machine, so, you know, I'm going to sweat a little bit. It's going to make me feel good. Clean up some stuff. Make some space. Instead of all of the grunting and heavy breathing, I'll just play y'all some music. Hit it, Todd Roth.
All right. Lord, she's evil, wicked, mean, nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? Seems I'm chasing that woman my whole damn life. Never got nothing to show for it except worry, trouble, and strife. She's got them evil eyes. She got a wicked grin. She got a mean disposition and a body built for sin. Oh, she's evil. She's wicked. Oh, she's mean and nasty. Oh, if you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? She's got a nasty temper. She ain't scared to show. Go ahead and wind her up, bud, and just watch her go. She's got them evil eyes. They're a window to the soul that she can't disguise, 'cause she's evil, she's wicked, Lord, she's mean and nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? One quick flash, that wicked grin. You gotta have that woman all over again. Mean disposition, cold as winter rain. Go ahead and mix it up with that nasty temper, bigger than a hurricane. 'Cause she's evil, well, she's wicked, well, she's mean and she's nasty. If you didn't want to know, well then, why did you ask me? She's got evil eyes, a wicked grin, nasty temper, mean disposition.
In real time, it's the Monday before Thanksgiving. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. That is 1 hour and 25 minutes of video, but I did one tire before I started. So, not too bad. Going to the recycler, going to the dealer. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.